Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix iPhone camera not working on your device. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS 18 and you are facing a problem that your iPhone camera is not working and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all what we need to do, you have to just simply open settings, and after that guys, find out the screen time. So guys, here it is. So simply tap on screen time. Now after that guys, then scroll it below and here you can see content and privacy restrictions. So simply tap on it and turn on this toggle, and after that here you can see allowed apps and features. So simply tap on it and here you can see camera. Simply turn off, enter your screen time passcode, and after that wait some second and again turn it on. Now after that close this page and again open settings and tap on journal, scroll down and here tap on shutdown. So guys, shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again, and after that guys you have to just simply open your camera and here you can see it is working. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope the videos helped you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.